Okay, good afternoon, students. Can you all see the screen? Teachers, sisters,
Your voice is not clear.
voice is still not clear. Okay, me too, I can't help about it. Already I've changed my location twice. Still, you edit somehow. Okay. Huh? Okay, you see this. This is the esophageal sphincter. So the esophageal sphincter, they are like the muscles. They are like the muscles. I mean, they act as a natural gateway means what means they automatically opens. They automatically opens and what do they do?
Excuse
Like
me,
as
ma'am.
soon as huh?
Ma'am, your
Yes,
voice is not clear, ma'am.
I know about that. I can't help about that because my network is not good. So I've already changed my location twice.
Okay.
In different rooms I went. I changed my location, but you know about it.
Okay, ma'am.
So in case somehow you're seeing the screen, you're just seeing the slide itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. But it's not completely like I'm totally unique, right? Like something you can hear and it's something like yes. Is it completely like you can't hear or how? Can't understand. Means in what way you can't understand? Is it completely inaudible? I mean you can't hear completely or how?
We can't hear, ma'am.
Okay, can you hear me now? What about now? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I was talking about esophageal sphincters. So this is a natural opening. It opens automatically as soon as the food enters inside it. And next is the stomach. So in stomach, what happens? What happens in the stomach? Uh, in the stomach also, like you can see the esophageal sphincter. This is the lower esophageal sphincter. So what happens here? As soon as the esophagus sphincter will open, like the food enters inside, and it will enter inside the stomach. That is the stomach lining. And after that, what happens? It will, as soon as the food it's being done, I mean the process is being done, it will go to where? It will go to the pyloric sphincter. This is the pyloric sphincter, so they will automatically close, and in that way, the process is being proceeded. And next is stomach. I mean, the stomach is J-shaped. The shape of the stomach is J, and they are made up of a muscular sac. And inside the stomach, you have got inner folds. Inner folds. It is also known as raphe. This is the raphe. And what happens here in the stomach? What is the function of the stomach? The function of the stomach is they perform mechanical digestion. And what do you see in the stomach? You can see that in the stomach, they are made up of some gastric juice. They are made up of some gastric juice. So what is the name of those? HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid, and you have got some salts, some enzymes, some water, and some mucus. And the HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid, they help the food to break down. Understand? They help the food to break down, and they also kill the bacteria, whatever is coming along with the food. And the bolus, that is the food bolus, now it is known as chyme, CHYM, chyme. Do you understand?
Yeah, ma'am.
Did you understand now, British Mita?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Is my voice a bit better?
Ma'am, your voice is, ma'am, not now. Your voice is not clear now.
Not clear, but at least you can hear me, right?
Ma'am, yes.
At least you can hear me. It's good. Actually, I have changed my place already twice, and I even went to IT lab also for talking, for discussing about the issues which I'm having. They said that I'm having some network issues. I even switched my gadgets many times, means my laptop as well as my phone. But still, it's like this. Me too, I can't help about it. So we all adjust somehow just by seeing the slides. So I'm showing it to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next is the small intestine. So the small intestine, it has got three segments. I mean, they are made up of three parts. So the first is the duodenum, the second is the jejunum, and the third is the ileum. So these are the three parts of the the small intestine. And the small intestine, they are 22 foot long. Mean the length of the small intestine is 22 foot long, and they are made up of a muscular tube. They are made up of muscles, and they are made up of tube. Let us now discuss about the function of the three parts of the small intestine. So the first one, that is the duodenum, they helps in what? They helps in continuous breakdown process. Means what? They used to like I mean whatever food is coming from outside, they will help in continuous breaking down. They will break down in such a way that they will become in like smaller particles or smaller pieces. And next is jejunum and the ileum. The jejunum and the ileum, they are the second, I mean the second and the third part of the small intestine. And what do? They are responsible for what? They are responsible for absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. Whatever food is coming there from there, what do? They absorb. They used to absorb all the nutrients, and afterwards it will go into the bloodstream. So this is I mean the function of the small intestine. Next is the pancreas. So this is the pancreas. The pancreas, they secrete some digestive enzymes. They should secrete some digestive enzymes, and they help in what? They help in breaking down such as what? Such as like proteins, then fats, then carbohydrates. So they help in breaking down all those particles. And next is what? The pancreas, they also make insulin. The pancreas, they also make insulin, and they go into the what? Into the bloodstream. And this insulin, they helps in what? They helps in metabolizing sugar. Means they helps in maintaining the balance of the sugar quantity which is there in the human body. Liver. So this is liver. So liver, they are also known as the second largest organ after the skin. And the human body, like the human body, the largest gland is the liver. And the weight of the liver is 1500 grams. You get my point. So the liver weighs about 1500 grams. The liver also functions. So what are the functions of the liver? And the function of the liver is that they used to uh, absorb all the nutrients which is coming from the small intestine. And in the liver, what will you find? You will find some bile. So the bile, what do? They should secrete. They should secrete into the small intestine, and they help in what? Digesting the fat and also some vitamins. And this liver, what is the function of the liver again? They detoxify all the harmful chemicals. Means they used to kill all the harmful. They used to kill all the harmful particles, which is not good for your body, which is bad for you. Next, so this is the blood, the green color, and this blood has here. What happens here in the gallbladder? They used to store and concentrate the bile, which is from the liver. And after that, what happens? They will go into the duodenum. You remember, right? In the small intestine, we have got duodenum. So they will go into the duodenum. That is in the small intestine, and it helps in what? They helps in absorption as well as digesting the fats. They help in absorption. They help in absorption as well as digesting the fats. Is it clear? Next is large intestine. So in the large intestine, what will you find? They are responsible for what? They are responsible for emptying all the waste particles whatever is there in your body. And what is the length of the large intestine? The length of the large intestine is 6 foot long. Smaller size than of the small intestine. And they connect somewhere. They connect the small intestine to the rectum. And the last time, it is divided into 4 parts. There is the cecum. Okay, there is the cecum. Then ascending column. Cecum, ascending column, transverse column, descending column, and sigmoid column. So these are the parts of the large intestine. And the cecum, this one, the cecum, they are attached to the appendix, vermiform appendix, and they are vermiform means that one. And what happens here in the large intestine? They used to absorb water. They used to absorb water. But in the large intestine, there is also a bacteria. But these bacteria, they are beneficial. I mean, they are good for the body. That is, they give some vitamin K. They give vitamin K. And last is the rectum. So this. So whatever waste particles are there in the digestive system or digestive process, it comes through what comes through the colon, which is known as peristalsis. First, it comes in the liquid state, and after that, it comes in the solid state. So this is the rectum. So the rectum is 8-inch long. I mean, it is 8-inch long, and they connect it to the colon. That is this one, the colon, and the anus. And what is the main function of the rectum? The main function is that they used to receive stool from the colon. They used to receive stool from the colon. Is it clear? Next is through the anus. And the anus, they are surrounded by what? They are surrounded by a sphincter. The anus, they are surrounded by the sphincter muscle. So the internal sphincter muscle, they enters into the rectum, and this sphincter, they prevent us from getting what? Directly passing the stool, that is involuntary movement. Understand? If it was involuntary, you just imagine, you just don't pass the stool because you won't be able to control it. So since it's voluntary, you can control it. So it means that. So in this way, the digestive system is being processed. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, if it is clear, then I will stop here for today. In the next class, we will be continuing with the another topic. Understand?